no, the wind is so strong. You can't let him fly because he might bump onto a tree or to the electric wire.
Wow. Brian's my favorite cuckoo.
This one, your favorite?
What's up, guys?
What's up, zztvers?
Today video is our baby cuckoo get big now.
It's big now.
Yeah.
And there's a sun. That's why we can go up.
Yeah, and look. Look at our baby cuckoo gets bigger.
Oh, we go na. What's the other one? There with the mama.
Yeah. But it looks like the other one changed today, but now we'll get flyer.
Okay. Get flyer. Get him.
Got him. I got him. I got him. Yay. Yes, I got him.
I'm here. Hoy. Oh no, the wind is so strong. You can't let him fly because he might bump onto a tree or to the electric wire.
Wow. Brian's my favorite cuckoo.
This one, your favorite?
I'll take them off. I see flyer shadow.
Yeah. What is ice na? Oh.
And there's Lolo down there. Lolo down there kicking the cuckoos. And wait, that one looks like
Good dad.
go down. And where is its feeder?
I'm going to clean it.
Where is it?
There. Oh. Want them to let fly? The wind is
No.
strong eh.
No, because flyer will bump to a tree and bump to a wire.
Bump to a tree and wires.
Flyer got up again. That look like his. That look like his papa. You see? That look like his papa. He's
Yeah.
trying to get out.
The papa is ano na eh.
Bigger.
Like, what do you call about that, guys? Napalayas na.
You see a hole behind me, guys?
The papa pigeon say that he's big na. He needs to go on to the grown ups na.
You see a hole behind me, guys?
Yeah.
Well,
Your puwit. Oh, the wind is strong. We can't let them fly because look at the wind. It's super strong. Hold this. I'll get the papa. We did not capture them when you say nagkumahos because I haven't clicked the play button.
Come back.
Yeah. What?
I said, back to my house.
Nagkumahos?
So then,
I see them.
they.
Where?
Oh, not them.
There's just one eh. Where's the others? Oh, there.
There you go.
I think with them.
What the?
He's flying with them.
And you have to hold on a parrot and his wings are tired. That means you have to hold on a parrot and a parrot is tired. You have to go there. Oh, there they are.
They have to go, or they have to
That one's
land.
scary.
They will land
Oh,
and they will.
no! You just
Show us the baby pigeon. Try to hold it. Grab him. Grab him.
I'm grabbing him. Grab him.
A few moments later.
These ones are now.
That one is bigger.
Yeah.
Here he got Lukey's.
Remember they were just eggs before?
Yeah. But this looks like the brother. This one looks like the sister. I think this one is the brother. This one is the sister. I got both of them.
Got both of them.
But they're just looking at. But his head just twists around. So his head twists around.
Can't see the eye signs pa.
I got him. But I got him.
Dito mo sila padaanin. So they know that's their door, the trap door. Put him on the trap. You need to go there when you go big. That's how you go
now
inside.
Ball down. Now fall down.
I think they know how to fly. Oh, the white is back.
Fall down. Fall down. Fall down. He keeps getting like.
So it's been a week that we haven't, or Zain haven't visit the cuckoos. And the cuckoos haven't flied for a week.
Go down now. Ah! Or like sing on
Oh, you make a video on
Fall down.
the other brown's back.
Fall down. Fall down.
Oh, hold this. Right.
Look at this. Look at these cuckoos. We have this white one now. We videoed.
Look, what's this?
Wheel. Now one.
Grandpa.
Wait, where's Flyer?
He's still flying. He's a flyer.
Oh, because I named him Flyer. So look, guys. There are the cuckoos there, and that's Flyer. That's Flyer.
Why that's flyer? See, he's coming na.
Yay!
Come on.
Yay!
Take a video. Not me.
And I got him.
You call him.
Flyer!
How you know how to whistle?
Because this is a tiny boy.
the camera onto them. So guys, who do you think is the girl or the boy on these two? So leave a comment below if it's this one, baby pigeon one, this two, or this second one, baby pigeon two. Who's gonna be girl? Who's gonna be boy? Tell us on the comments below.
I'm burning like a chicken.
Who's your favorite pigeon?
They both of them. My favorite is both of them. Oh, you can please hold it down. Hot, hot like a burning.
Not like a burning what?
So they said the cuckoos are back. The grandpa and the other one, I don't know who's that one. And so my papa doing some. So this is, you can see me guys. So you can just see my papa. You can see my
Oh
papa.
no, it happened some.
You can go here.
Is that flyer? We'll go back.
No.
Yep.
And two of them. The papa and the grandma. The mama and the Lola, we are making a video. So that's our onion. So somebody removed the plastic. Papa, who broke the plastic?
I think flyer's back.
No,
Other team. You see him?
no. Yeah, I see him.
Oh, your video, where is it?
Guys, where's Flyer? Here is Flyer. Flyer, come back here. So Flyer back here, I trying to get him. Flyer's back here, I trying to get him, but he went there. So I need a stick to bring him back. I have to wait for him on oil, waiting oil. Use Papa help. Papa, you can't get Flyer because I can't get him.
Okay.
I can't get Flyer. I'm trying to get him. I tell the brewers, and then
A boy or a girl?
the boy the girl is eating, and without the boy. Fly not coming. Guys, so my papa is selling with them food.
Call him. The camera is not focusing. No, you're scaring him eh. You make him come to you, not you need to chase him. Come here dito. I said you let him come. You don't need to chase him. Ayaw? No, you can't. You can't go there. Dito na lang. So guys, what are we gonna do, Zain?
We have to bring them back to their home.
Yeah, because
It will rain soon.
yeah.
Look at the clouds, they are moving. The clouds are moving.
Moving fast?
You see the clouds are moving.
Yeah. And I think we need to end the video here.
No.
Why? Because they're not yet back on their home.
Yeah.
They know how to get back. It's just that they have been inside the house for 2 weeks. That's why they want to go and explore the outside world.
I mean, there's one more thing.
One more cook. The
You
papa.
see? I told you.
Yeah, because they want to stay outside for now. Oh, look at the baby pigeon. He's eating by himself na. See that?
Yeah. I saw him already.
But that other one is not eating.
Yeah, because I think he's tired.
He's tired.
Yeah, like Kuya Soy.
Kuya Sark.
Kuya Soy is sleeping.
Kuya Sark still
Oh, I
sleeping.
thought that was Flyer. Flyer.
Fire's there so far.
There.
Yeah.
I will eat this guy.
Our camera is not focusing eh.
Guys, I ate this cook thing.
You ate their food?
Yeah.
You will turn into a pigeon.
I'm just kidding, guys. I just showed it.
Hmm.
And then I sit down.
You'll turn into pigeon? Oh. They don't want to go home eh because it's been a week or more than a week.
Down now. So, thanks for watching.
And don't forget
Do hit the like
button,
button
leave a comment,
down below. Down below.
and the bell.
Bell button. So, thanks for watching. Have a fun all day.
Oh. Bye guys.